We submitted impact. Yay! We we made some little funky little pin designs that were really fun. I made like 28 different designs. It was very fun. I enjoyed this week very much. Today was a good week.
Welcome to Wiki's Weekly Interview. This is not Take Two. Today we're here with code member Emily. Emily, how's it going?
It's going all right. They're asleep besides me. I'm just chilling. They're testing the elevator right now.
Only one awake in the nap club.
Yeah, nap division. I'm the lead. Well,
So, if you're in code, then why are you in the CAD room?
I'm just following. I'm kind of just following James around and bullying him, but yeah, they're testing elevator stuff and they're fine on their own.
So, Emily, is this the CAD room or the business room?
I think it's an art room that we use for both divisions.
I think you're wrong. That has been Wiki's Weekly Interview. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Okay, so in the past week, Code has been writing program for the elevator, which just got finished being built. So now Abe and Raphael are out in the hallway testing their code, and freshmen like me and my friend Sarah, we're learning how to use SysID, which is impossible, but hopefully we'll learn.
This week, I worked on two things. I made this little thing in the dashboard so that whenever you plan where you're going to go, it calculates what score you're going to get. And the other thing I made is I started the subsystem for the arm, which goes, it's the motor that is just, it's one motor, but it's on a gear ratio, so it turns both. So it's pretty complicated geometry-wise, which is why it's taken so long. It's also taken a while because it's only me working on it, because Abe and Raphael are working on the elevator.
Okay, yeah, so electronics, I'm not going to name blame, but there was a miscommunication issue, and the gearboxes are actually different on each elevator motor, so it's like it was causing the encoders to be like so slightly off, and the elevator to be really janky, and now it's working a lot faster, a lot more accurately, so it's just like a lot better. Abe, run it. Whoops.
Include that in the vlog.
Whoops. Abe, what did you do? I removed the top safety. He removed the top safety, everyone. He removed the top safety. That's. Yeah. That was not great.
We've been working in the pit for the past few days to fully set up the field carpet so Code can have testing room. And it's almost done, and we're really excited because Code needs a robot, and Build and Code are actually getting along for, like, once.
We gave them testing time. And this is what they do with it.
They break it immediately.
Yeah, anyway, it's less of a Code issue, more of a Max issue.
So, world, something really, really crazy has happened. Okay, never before seen. Team 555 Montclair Robotics is in fact ahead of schedule this year. Okay, we are running around 3 or 4 days ahead, right? Honestly, never before seen. Izzy, it's true. Okay, it's true. Build is currently, as we speak, slowly shrinking that 3 or 4 day gap because things aren't going so well assembling our hands. But either way, we're still ahead of schedule as of right now.
All right, so in terms of our scheduling, I think we're doing fine. Code is currently in the hallway. We could probably get a clip of that. They're going at it. We are pretty much, I'm doing a drawing, but we're pretty much done for the most part. Yes, deep cage this, deep cage that, we'll get there. But build is pretty much almost done. We're pretty much almost all done. The robot's done, guys. We're ready for the season. We're ready for competition like next week. Let me take it to the shop. Yo, where's Pablo? All right, here's my interview with Pablo. What's up, Pablo?
How you doing?
So I have some interview questions for you. So how are you feeling about the robot so far in terms of like scheduling and like pacing?
Feeling great. Yeah, amazing.
how do you feel about Max Pearson's comments on us being weeks and weeks ahead of schedule, and that we're pretty much going to Worlds? We're pretty much at Worlds.
Wow. Yeah. We definitely are.
You sound more enthusiastic, by the way. What's the question?
How do we feel about the schedule, and like how do we feel about being weeks and weeks ahead and like being at Worlds?
We're already there. We're already there.
We've run into setbacks, but we're gonna pull through. We're definitely gonna make it to Worlds.
These are two build members. This is Pablo, the freshman, and this is Akib, the senior. That's it. Thanks.
I've been assembling the same part for 2 hours. The holes didn't line up. I cried. I hammered. I smacked. I pushed. It's going great, guys.
We've been working on the board. We've been working on our diagram board. Putting in a bunch of the components for later, and also mapping out where the wires are going to be.
Yeah. Today we also prepared our battery a little bit, and we're, as Taiki said, we're mapping out where the battery wires are going, but they're big, so we gotta like draw it out because we're low-key out of space.
Hello, everyone. My name is Milo. I am one of the electronics leads. Electronics, as you can see, is working very hard today. In the beginning of the meeting, we started with our electrical diagram. We did really good last year, and we had it printed out on a big board. It looks really nice. We had our new freshmen try to test it out and see if they could really handle it, which for the most part they could. So we're going to continue that tomorrow or next week, actually. For today, we finally spray painted our electronics board. This is official sneak peek. Not too much. And we're going to strap down our modules for now. We're still waiting for CAD to finish the robot. And then it's going to be given to us. And then finally, we're going to be able to wire all of our stuff, hopefully with no issues. And then hopefully from there, have enough time to wire manage. We noticed last year that because of the lack of space and wire management, we had a lot of problems that were very difficult to diagnose because of the lack of space. So this year we're hoping to be more organized and really maximize and optimize the amount of space we were given. Yeah. Say hey, guys. Milo out.